You okay? It doesn't matter who I am. You need to follow me. Now get up. We need to go now. Oh shoot, they're here. Come on now, we need to go. It's not safe here anymore. Get up and don't make any noise. You hear me? Wait. Okay, let's go. Well, finally. No one will hear us here. Who am I? Fine. I am Mary Sue. I'm part of the Angela enforcement. I am the only one who survived. Or maybe there's at least one of them that got lucky. This country's current situation is really bad. It's starting to affect our neighbor country. We need to stop this now. No. You need to stop this now. All of this started because of you. They want your invention. There is no accurate location for it. It was moved from place to place, as it would be really dangerous if it falls into the wrong hand. You need to stop this now. Please.